The infinite divinity within each and every person is always present, permeating the entire universe, permeating all existence, manifesting in the forms and colors of creation. Divinity is not something that you ever lose, that is not present. It is always there, closer than close, the core of your own being. But when your attention moves outward through the senses into the world of duality and forms, the mind becomes distracted, engaged with all of the forms and experiences, like a child lost in play. It forgets that which is always there. Divinity never leaves, never abandons you, never goes away. It is always there. It is you that become distracted with the world, and in your distraction lose awareness. Instead, the mind focuses on various feelings, various ideas, various perceptions, interactions. And the mind becomes so habituated to being in all of these different modes of thought that it doesn't know how to slow down, doesn't know how to give way and allow awareness of the divine existence in the core of your being that manifests constantly in all that is. The divine is always there with you, always present. But the distracted mind doesn't know, forgets. And so the process for remembering involves letting go of distractions, letting go of beliefs, letting go of ideas, letting go of all the constructs, assumptions that you have held, letting go of the thoughts in the mind, so that the mind quiets. When you really let go, what remains but awareness, consciousness, love, a continuation of being that is always there, regardless of your activities. You remain as infinite being, always present, always knowing, as love, as truth, as consciousness. The Atman, the knower of your being, is that consciousness, that awareness, which knows your own existence, knows every thought in your mind, knows your heart. That knower is your own essential self, the Atman, your soul, There is no separation between you and the infinite. The only separation is one of your own making, in your beliefs, in your ideas, in your distracted mind. And all that is needed is to let go. Meditation is not a process of acquiring. It's a process of letting go. Because that which is most precious, you already have. Only the mind and awareness are distracted. When the distractions are dropped, what remains? There is a love, a truth. There is your own essential being. It's always there.